Good morning, student. We are study about the reducible method to solve linear equation. That means if the given equation is not in the standard form, then how can we reduce the given equation into the standard form? After that, we will solve it. Now come on. Exercise number 3.6 and question number fourth part of the first question. Fourth part of the first question, see 5 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 2 equal to 2 and 6 upon x minus 1 plus minus 3 upon y minus 2 minus 3 upon y minus 2 equal to 1. This is your given equation, and in the present form it is not standard, so we try to reduce it into the standard form, just like considering let 1 by x minus 1 equal to u and 1 upon y minus 2 equal to v. Therefore 5u plus v equal to 2, 6u minus 3v equal to 1. In the present form, the given equation reduced into the standard form. Now come on to solve it by elimination method. To solve by elimination method, multiply equation 1 by 3 and adding equation 2. 15u, 3v, 6u, 3v equal to 1, 3 and 2. This is cancelled, 21u equal to 7. Now u is equal to 7 by 21, that is 1 by 3. From 1, 5 into 1 by 3 plus v equal to 2. Now v equal to 2 minus 5 by 3, 6 minus 5 by 3, that is 1 by 3. We have find the value of u and v, but our target is to find the value of x and y. So, since 1 by x minus 1 equal to u, and u is 1 by 3, by cross multiply x minus 1 equal to 3, now x equal to this, and here is if 1 upon y minus 2 equal to v and v equal to 1 by 3, so y minus 2 equal to 3 and y equal to 3 plus 2, y equal to 5. So your question be completed, student. You can understand, you can see in this method, first of all we try to reduce our given equation into the form of standard. After that you are free to select any algebraic method to solve the linear equation. So come on the next question, question number fifth part of question number first. Fifth part of question number first, see question is 7x minus 2y upon xy, 7x minus 2y upon xy equal to 5 and 8x plus 7y upon xy equal to 15. From 7x minus 2y upon xy 5. 7x upon xy 2y upon xy, y will be cancelled. 7 upon y minus 2 upon x equal to 5, or 2 by x minus 7 upon y equal to minus 5. Now the first question. And second is, from second 8x by xy 7y upon xy equal to 15, y cancel, 8 by y plus 7 by x equal to 15, or 7 by x plus 8 by y equal to 15. Now second equation. Student, you will see, we try to give an equation into the form of, change into the form of this. Now we try to reduce, considering, considering 1 by, let 1 by x equal to u and 1 by y equal to v. Therefore substitute 2u minus 7v equal to minus 5. Now equation number third, and 7u plus 8v equal to 15. Now equation number 4. Now I am going to solve it by elimination method. Multiply by 8 and multiply by 7. 16u minus 56v equal to 40. 5. 49u plus 56v equal to 1056. Adding them, you will get this. Now 65 by 65 cancel out 1. U is equal to 1. Now what is the value of V? Taking equation number 3. From 3, 2 into 1 minus 7v equal to minus 5. 2 minus 7v equal to minus 5. 7v equal to minus 5 minus 2, that is minus 7. Minus will be cancelled. 7 by 7 it's also equal to 1. V is also equal to 1. So come and try to find the value of x. Since 1 by x equal to u, 1 by x equal to 1, now x is equal to 1, and 1 upon y equal to v, v is also equal to 1, now y is equal to 1. This is your result. So it is a long method to solve a linear equation, and come on. Next question is 7th part of question number first. 7th part of question number first. You will see, student, that your given question is 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y equal to 4. In this question, when we reduced to the present question in the form of u and v and try to solve the equation and find the result of u and v, means this question may be solved for 2 times to find the value of x and y. Let us see. Question is 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y equal to 4. 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y equal to minus 2. Let 1 upon x plus y equal to v and what u and x minus y equal to v. Therefore 10u minus 2v equal to 4, and that is 1, and 15u minus 10 2, this is plus and 5v equal to minus 2 second. Now I am going to solve this equation by elimination method. Multiply by 5 and 2, 50u plus 10v 20, 30u minus 10v equal to minus 4. Adding them, 80u equal to 16, u equal to 16 by 80, that is 1 by 5. And from 1, 10 into 1 upon 5 plus 2v equal to 4. 5 2 ja, 2 plus 2v equal to 4. Now 2v equal to 4 minus 2. 2v equal to 2. Now v equal to 1. Since 1 upon x plus y equal to u, therefore x plus y equal to 1 upon 5. Now x plus y equal to 5 and 3, and 1 upon x minus y equal to v, that is 1. Now x minus y equal to 1, 4. We will solve this equation number 3 and 4 again by elimination method. Then we will find the value of x and y. Come and see. X plus y equal to 5 and x minus y equal to 1. Again 3 and 4, adding them to x equal to 6. Now x equal to 6 by 2, that is 3. From 1, x plus y equal to 5. Now 3 plus y equal to 5 and y equal to 5 minus 3, that is 2. That is 2. In this way you can find the value of x and y. One similarly, same method, by the same method you can solve the question number 8th part of question number 1. 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y equal to 3 by 4. Considering that 1 upon 3x plus y equal to u and 1 upon 3x minus y equal to v. So your equation may be changed in the form of u plus v equal to 3 by 4. Or you can say that 4u plus 4v equal to 3. Now the first equation, and second is u minus v, 1 by 2 u minus 1 by 2 v equal to minus 1 by 8. 2 4 is 8. You can see that u minus v equal to minus 1 by 4 or 4u minus 4v equal to minus 1. Now your second equation. Solve it by elimination method, substitution method, cross multiplication method, as you will like. As you like. And try to find the value of u and v. After that, by this method, when you substitute like this, then you will find again a linear equation in the form of just 3x plus y equal to something. And 3x minus y is also equal to something. Again it solved by elimination method, substitution method, as you like, you can do. And then you would find the value of x and y from this question. Therefore, it is a long process. I hope that you will try to solve the question, and I stop here today. And homework is only all part of question number 1. All part of question number 1. 1 to question number 8. There are 8 questions. 8 part of question number 1. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 questions may be solved by me. And 3 questions only be remaining for you. I hope that you will try to solve the remaining 3 questions by this method, reducing method. And if you will do it, then very good. If you would not do it, then I will solve in the next classes. So I stop here. Thank you.